Hi guys, McKeon Roberts here from Wired to Fish, and behind me is our fully enclosed ATV and snowmobile trailer. And it takes a beating throughout the winter, especially because our roads get covered with salt and slush and road grime. But no matter where you live in the country, trailers take abuse through direct exposure to the elements out on the road. So it's a good idea to do an annual multi-point inspection and lubrication of the trailer, keep it in working order. So many of us are familiar with this product, WD-40's multi-use lubricant. But you might not know about WD-40's specialist line of products. Since this trailer is fairly complex in terms of mechanisms and moving parts, we're going to walk you through some of the lubrication points to consider and what specialist products to use to get the job done right. So I'm going to pressure wash this trailer, but first I want to go and identify all the spots in the trailer where a lot of the grease and grime has accumulated. And I'm going to take a degreaser and apply it to those locations and give it a good soak. That way I can rinse it with the power washer. I'm going to be using the WD-40 Specialist Industrial Strength Cleaner Degreaser to break down grime buildup. The nice thing about this product is that it's safe on many different materials and it's biodegradable, making it a good choice for the environment. I'm going to take the pressure washer and give it a rinse. Now that we've let everything soak with the cleaner and the degreaser and we've rinsed it off and cleaned the whole trailer, now I'm going to go back and re-lubricate all the mechanisms for this trailer. We've got this big long hinge for both sides of the doors on this and some other vertical surfaces where traditional lubricants might drip out after applying. My product of choice here is the WD-40 Gel Lubricant No Drip Formula because it adheres when applied and won't drip off the surface. Now I'm going to go up and lubricate the entire span of it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the door and open it and close it a couple times and really work in that lubrication. This gel lubricant does especially well on vertical surfaces. As you can see, this winch is vertical where the gears are stacked vertically. I'm going to go ahead and soak this. And as you can see, it stays on there a lot longer without just dripping off, giving it a lot longer period of time to lubricate. That way when I go to use it the next time, it's slick as a whistle. So when you're out there on the road, your locks also get exposed to those elements and chemicals on the road. And what good is a trailer with locks and doors if you can't get inside of it? One really important thing that you can do is apply the Specialist Dry Lubrication in your locking mechanisms. This is formulated to provide long-lasting lubrication and protection, and it doesn't leave a residue. The important thing with that is it's going to keep dust and dirt out of there. And one last thing I like to do with the locks is spray a little corrosion inhibitor within the actual inside of the lock. And that'll keep it from seizing up. Now that I've finished cleaning and lubricating the body of the trailer, I'm going to move to the front of the trailer, the most important part for safety, and that's the hitch and your electrical connections. Everybody has experienced that mystery brake light out or that mystery blinker out. That's usually just as simple as having a bad connection. So you can take some contact cleaner and spray those connection points. So cleaning your electrical connection is as easy as taking this contact cleaner and then scraping off the corrosion. So now that I have peace of mind with my electrical connection, all my lights are working 360 around the trailer. I'm going to move on to the hitch and the hitch coupler because there's a lot of components in there that are going to ensure your safety in towing and hauling. So in order to access the components within the hitch coupler, I'm going to have to jack this up. I'm going to start by spraying this locking lever. So now I have access to these two springs and nuts and bolts up in there, and all of them need prevention from corrosion. So I'm going to spray a little lubricant in there and then really work it in there. So a little bit of preventative maintenance annually will keep your trailer in working order. Choose the right lubrication for the job, apply it liberally, and it will save you a lot of headaches down the road.